On behalf of Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, myself, Y.JUSTIN Leo, Assistant Professor of Department of Mechanical Engineering, welcome you all for this Basic Civil and Mechanical Engineering course. And the course code for Basic Civil and Mechanical Engineering is B8252 for the Regulation 2017. So in this video session, we'll be studying about the scope of Civil and Mechanical Engineering, Unit 1. And here we'll be seeing about the introduction to mechanical engineering. So, introduction to mechanical engineering. So, before going in depth to the chapter, each and every one should know what is engineering and what do mechanical engineers do and the basic engineering process. So, what is an engineering? Engineering is a profession in which knowledge of mathematical and natural sciences are gained by study, experience, and practice. And this is applied with judgment to develop ways to utilize economically the materials and the forces of nature for the benefit of the mankind. So that is what engineering is. And why might you want to be an engineer? So you have high goals in life. So for that you might have a plan to become an engineer. And to get a strong college education, you might want to be an engineer. And you might be interested in maths and science, and you would like to apply them to the real world problems. So for that, you might have decided to become an engineer. And you might enjoy hands-on work and tinkering with things. So, and you were told that engineers make a lot of money. So this might be a thought on you to become an engineer. And you were told that you can get a good job with an engineering degree. And finally, you want to help humanity. So, for these things, you might have planned to become an engineer. So, and coming to the mechanical engineering branch, it is the second largest and it is one of the oldest discipline among other engineering disciplines. Okay, so you might find the subject both exciting and challenging one compared to other branches. And every industry almost needs a mechanical engineer. And this curriculum is sufficiently broad, so students can take various career paths upon graduation. And it is perhaps the broadest of all the engineering disciplines. You can find creative solutions for different problems. And you need to work with motion, energy, forces, and materials. And mechanical engineering mostly is concerned with analysis, design, manufacture, and operation of areas such as energy, defense, environment, health, and bio, manufacturing, transportation, etc. So, what will you study as a mechanical engineering student? And mechanical engineering students normally they will be studying about the core subjects as well as the elective subjects. And the core subjects will be the fundamental courses of mechanical engineering, and the electives will be department electives and open electives. So coming to this subjects core, you have statics, dynamics, kinematics, mechanics of solids and fluids. And regarding this material, you have material engineering and processing. And you have thermodynamics, heat transfer, internal combustion engines, refrigerations, and machines. You have graphics, design, machine elements, control, machine design, FEM. And coming to the elective subjects, you have automobile design, industrial production, renewable energy, and you have this mechanical systems, vibrations, controls, mechatronics. And economics, you have engineering, economics analysis, cost engineering. And in human and social studies, you have arts, humanities, social science, ethics, law. So the overall foundation for all this, for this mechanical engineering student is maths, physics, chemistry, and analysis skill. And moreover, you should be a good communicator and you should have also a computation skill. So what mechanical engineers do? So normally mechanical engineers, they build a bridge. So this is a structural bridge. They make a robot, they make a plane, work on computer, work on car engines, or drive a train. So mechanical engineers job descriptions. So there are these are all the following job descriptions that as a mechanical engineer can avail. So graduate engineer trainee, graduate management trainee, analytical engineer, design engineer, test engineer, manufacturing engineer, development engineer, research engineer, sales engineer, engineering manager, and consulting engineer. So what types of jobs do mechanical engineers have? So they can choose a design. So in that you have product design, machine design, system design, and they can go for manufacturing, process development and quality, maintenance and operations, research and development, project management, testing, sales or technical sales and management, and electrical power generations, oil well drilling and extraction equipments. And for renewable energy, you can go for fuel cells, wind power, hydroelectric, nuclear, geothermal, wind power, biomass, hydrogen, solar. And as an analysis, you can go for equipment failures to improve performance and reliability. Then for heat transfer, vibration, sound, and you can go for this fabrication type of jobs. So in that you have coordinate fabrication of equipments, and you can develop improved fabrication techniques and methods, and testing. These all is reliable on this quality, this test quality, performance, safety, and the reliability of products, equipments, process, etc. And as a research and development, you have a chance of becoming as a research head. And for sales, you can go work as technical salespersons for companies for manufacturing various products and equipments, and you can work as a general salesperson for companies. And for this maintenance and operations related jobs, you can the job role is keep various plants and processes operating at optimum performance, and supervision and management of operations. And you can also join a management team, and others you can have a law school and business school. So major areas of research. So these are all the following areas where the research is available. So you can have this automotive engineering, acoustics and dynamics, automation and mechatronics, bioengineering, computer aided design, fluid mechanics, micro electromechanical systems, heat transfer, combustion and energy systems, manufacturing, mechanics of materials, tribology, and nuclear engineering. So what can mechanical engineers do? As a mechanical engineer, they can design a product, a machine, and a system design. So machines that manufacture and package all varieties of products, and rotating equipments like pumps, compressors, blowers, turbo machinery, and mechanical engineers can manufacture internal combustion engines, and the storage tanks, piping systems, pressure vessels, reactors, heat exchangers, and boilers. And they can manufacture sports equipments, consumer goods and products, material handling equipments like conveyors, robots, production lines, and vehicles. They can manufacture cars, trucks, heavy equipments, buses, aircraft, ships, etc. So the engineering design process. So core of engineering. The core of engineering is the problem identification. And so next is conceptual design. And after that is a refinement and testing, a prototyping, communication, and then goes the production. So this conceptual design, refinement, testing, and prototype all comes under CAE, that is computer aided engineering. So the first is identification of a problem. So this is all based upon the customer requirements. And then the conceptual design, that is ideas, sketches and solution lists. Then refinement, computer modeling, database development. Then testing, that is analysis and simulation of all design aspects. Then next stage is the prototyping, so visualizing and improving the design. And after that, communication. So the engineering drawing and specifications are communicated to the production department. So final design approval and manufacturing of the components. So these are all the attributes the employee seeks on a candidate's resume. So these are all the attribute, that is leadership, ability to work in a team. So all the percentage of respondents, and you have problem solving skills, communication skills, strong work ethic, initiative and analytical quantitative skills, flexibility, technical skills and computer skills are detail oriented. So these are all the attributes the employee seeks on a candidate's from the resume. So who's looking to hire an engineer? So these are all the various companies who would like to hire an engineer. So you have automotive and OEM suppliers, construction equipments, construction companies, ship and railroad companies, airplane manufacturing, power generations, nuclear, alternative fuel, energy, utility companies, oil and gas companies, chemical companies, environmental, academia, financial companies, paramedical and healthcare, biomedical, computer-aided design and automations, robotics, electronics industries, appliance manufacturers, toy manufacturing, furniture manufacturing, etc. So with this, we come to an end to this introduction part of mechanical engineering. So thank you and have